Righty-ho, so in this video we're going to cover menu optimization, and I'm going to do a few videos on this, on how to optimize the menus, the content, and basically walk you through the different areas where you can optimize a website. Now in Joomla, unlike WordPress and other CMSs, um, you everything's contained. You don't need any components, plugins, anything to do optimization. It's all right here. I've tried using different components to optimize content, and I found that Joomla actually does a better job. On this particular website, we have a shopping cart component, so we have eShop, we have articles. So I'm going to cover that in my next video. And then at the top level, we have the menus. So when somebody clicks an item on the menu, for example, home, it will take them to the home page. However, you can actually customize the optimization at this level, but it will overwrite any optimization further down. So if you were to optimize an article, it wouldn't work unless you remove the optimization from the menu item. Just something to bear in mind. And this is basically where you do it. So in page display, you can see here we have the customized browser page title. This is the title that shows up at the top of the page. You can have a page heading, which goes on the content of the page, and a page class, but I never use that. I'm more interested in customizing the page title. I want it to be exactly what that page is about. Then you have the metadata, so you can put your own meta description in, and you can customize that, and that will overwrite any further customization later down the line. I just thought that would be handy because sometimes it's difficult finding where something is when you want to optimize it. And the easiest way of doing it is to just go to the menu and say, right, I'm going to optimize each menu item, and you go in and you optimize it. My suggestion though would be, if you choose this way of optimization, stick with it. Don't do some optimization in the menu and then some optimization in the articles. And if you have an online shop, some optimization in the shop. I would suggest that you stick with one method or the other. You can mix and match them. It's not difficult. I, for example, have customized optimization on the home page, but for the other pages, I'm not going to do that. That's how I tend to do it. So the about page, for example, has no optimization on it. You'll see there's no metadata, no page display. I'm letting Joomla manage that. And then in the shop, I'm going to manage that as well. So I just thought that would be a quick overview on how to optimize the menu items. There are other things you can do in the menu as well. So if I go here, open up this menu item, this is pretty self-explanatory. I'm basically saying this menu item type is going to be a custom page. If I go into about, the menu item type is a single article. So it's pulling up a particular article and displaying that. If I come back here, you can see the link type. You can change the type of link that you have in the menu. You can put an icon against it and things like that. Again, something I've never needed to do. The two things I tend to edit, and only for the home page, are the page display, because I want the customized page title, and the metadata, because I want customized content. And that's obviously missing something because it's limited to 300 characters, bless it. So hopefully that's of some use. Any questions, just drop them in the comments. Thanks very much.